Hi Roadrunners. I'm going to show you how to make an assignment on Flipgrid. Once you're in the assignment in Google Classroom, click on the link to go to the Flipgrid website. From there, you'll scroll down to read the instructions for the assignment. If you need help reading it, you can click on the little blue book. Once you're on the book, if you hit the play button, it will read the instructions in English. If you want to hear it in Spanish, go to the top corner, click the book, and then go to where it says translate. Then you have to scroll all the way down until you find Spanish. Pick the language that you want and make sure you click for the whole document. Then you hit the X and the play button and it will read the instructions in Spanish. When you're ready, hit the arrow at the top to go back to the Flipgrid page. Now you're ready to complete the assignment. For this one, you need to say hello and say anything you would like to tell your teachers or friends. You scroll down and find the big green plus. When you click the plus, you're going to be ready to record what you want to say. You have to put in your name. You do not need an email address, so you can leave that blank and then click Let's Go. That will take you to the video screen. Hi. On the video screen, there's lots of different options. You can add stickers and emojis, you could add a filter, or you could just leave it blank like I'm gonna do. When you're ready, you're gonna click the red record button and then record what you wanna say. Let's try mine. Hi, I just wanna tell everyone that I miss you all so much and I hope you are staying healthy and continuing to learn while you're at home. When you're done, you click the green next button and it will play your video for you. If you like it, then click next again. If you want to change it, click the trash button and you can re-record a new response. I'm going to leave mine and go to the next step. It's going to ask you to take a selfie. And again, you can redo it if you want to, or you can leave it the first time. Check your name, make sure it's right. Mine wasn't, so I had to fix it. You can put a title if you want to, but you do not have to. When you're finished, make sure you click the Submit Video button at the bottom. Yay, now you're finished. This topic is moderated. That means that I have to go in and make sure that it's okay before it will show up on the website. So you won't see it right away. If you want to see your video or see videos from your friends, come back and check on another day. All right, that's it, Roadrunners. I hope you have fun with this assignment and we'll do more on Flipgrid another time.